us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me, that's why you're still with me. Can't hide behind a camera summertime. I don't even care if you lie to me, cause every month it gets about me these days.
Hey girl, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. I am getting ready. It is currently Wednesday. I did not vlog Monday and Tuesday because girl, I was tired and I tried to get that last vlog uploaded for y'all. Okay, so it's come so good, extra. But I am currently about to go to my son's field trip. Girl, this is my first time ever me chaperoning. No, this is my second time chaperoning for a field trip. And girl, let's just say a prayer real quick. Father God, please don't let these kids be bad because I'm going to dip out on them. Amen. So, yeah, I could tell my son, chill out. Like, chill out. Stop doing that playing. You better not do that. Like, I could do that. But my son, he kind of good. So, but, girl, Lord, if these children be bad, I'm going to show you. I'm going to dip. I'm going to be going back. I got me a little mother dress on. It might not look motherly, but it is. I promise y'all it is with my little hat. But I don't know how I'm feeling about my hat because it got lint everywhere. Girl, how I'm supposed to get that off? Dior Lip Maximizer Balm. I got Fenty Cream Blush on Rose Latte. Rose, so good. Like, I love me some blush, girl. I'm trying to do like a minimum beat, like a I just came to slay just a tad bit. So yeah, I'll see you guys once we get there. I'm gonna try not to vlog as much. I'm gonna try to enjoy the moments, but see you guys soon. Bye.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
See here, girlfriend. That's my friend Jordan, y'all. See here, girlfriend. Hey, girlfriend. What's going on?
Nothing much. Delightful.
That first sip feeling.
Me! I need one of these.
Trying to get on.
No. Come on. She don't have on a sweater. It's chilly.
Get on there, girlfriend.
I thought you knew
You gotta go in a circle.
Look at Riley. Don't worry, these are designed by engineers. You cannot.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Guys, this is our first 10 minutes at the museum. This is my son. Say hey, Carter.
Why you always trying to be
Say hey.
Huh?
Hey. Take my pictures like that. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Tell me what you got on. Tell me what you got on.
Joelle.
Dress, mom, hat, sister, shoe, Gucci, son, mine.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. I've been watching you. I've been watching you. If I let you know, you can tell nobody.
Wait.
They run the bell. Let's go.
Marty, you gotta do it again.
Mommy, come on, you're
And we're grocery shopping. Some milk. No expiration date though. We got steaks. Get some steak for the night.
You make YouTube?
Yeah. Follow us. Go. You have all your items. Have some steak, some sausage, bacon. We love bacon. Johnny, can you please make sure you keep all my... Oh, I'm going to go to him. Sorry. Sure you put all my meat in a bag with each other.
You don't have no bags.
Oh my God, this is the bad towel. You can start, sir.
I think cash is the person here up. Beep. Beep.
Can you not sit my stuff back on the counter like that? That's pretty disgusting.
Beep.
What's my total?
$95. No, actually, it's $2.
$2? Oh, add this in for $2. I want some crack. I've been looking for this for like 4 days and I finally got it. Thanks, girl. Oh, girl. Wait, I'm a little bit too close.
Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on our side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel.
Who buys it? Who gets that? Me. Hey guys, so I just washed my face. I'm about to take me a nice hot bubble bath. I cleaned all day. I already washed my face with some cleanser, and this is the Pinaxel. That one, yeah, the one that was all over TikTok. That one. And I am about to finally got my hand on the Versed resurfacing mask. So I was like, we might as well just try this today. Sorry if I'm whispering. My son is asleep and he had a long day today. He could not fall asleep. He could not take a nap. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let's see. Oh wow. 17 was. Spatula. This is from the Dollar Tree, girl. So I'm gonna use this to get it out. Now I won't say this is my first time using it, but this is it. I'm not leaning it over. I won't say this is my first time using it because I did try it one day, but I don't know if it worked. So I'm excited to have this little spatula. Burn. It's not doing anything just yet. First time I did it, it didn't burn at all. I like this type of salad because it's just green, like money, you know? So we're just gonna give us a little something like this on the side, right? Just have it like that, like so. We got some of these purple things. I don't know what they're called, but I like them. Okay, we're gonna move along. We don't want any of that. We don't want any of that. We don't want any onions. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna get. Egg. Some cheese. Chicken. Okay, oh, yummy. Oh my god. Some banana peppers. The best. Are you paying for this? Shake your head, yes. Shake your camera, yes.
Nada.
Method sent me a lip plumper, and let me just show y'all. It comes with 2 of them in there. One is for day, one is for night, and this is the day. Now this is how my lips is looking right now, and I just put some more. Y'all, when I tell y'all my lips look plumped immediately. Y'all, I know I'm doing my makeup, disregard that, but look at my lips. Wow, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, that shit fire. Okay guys, makeup is done. I don't think I like it as much today. I don't know if it's my hair, I don't know what it is, but something I'm not liking today. But this is the face. Really freaking cute, just saying that. But I have been using some new products for my face, and I think they're working. I will say that. I think they are working. Spring colors is on, really cute. But you know, I love these certain lashes that I wear all the time, and I stepped out of my comfort zone and started wearing different lashes, and that's why I think the problem came in at. I think I don't like the lashes. Maybe I need to put a little more thicker volume, and this will be the day that my makeup gets hella compliments on it. In my hair, I used something different for my hair, which I loved it last night, but I think I put too much moisturizer or something in it, and it kind of like fucked it up. But yeah, so happy Sunday. Oh, I picked this up. This is what I use to moisturize my hair. This is my go-to moisturizing milk. It is so freaking good. It's amazing. It makes my hair so thick and pretty. And right now, see like how this is, that's the gel, but I don't know, maybe, I don't know, it's just probably something I'm gonna do. But this is the face, darling. This is the face. Okay, let's go. My girl. So we came to the festival that they have. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Oh shit. Alright, so this is a festival that they have here, but I can't get in because my son's stroller. So yeah, and I'm definitely not leaving that stroller outside because that shit was expensive. So yeah, that's no. So next location.
X's and O's, but I done been played before. I played it safe.